Okay, water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagtangkilik. Welcome back dito sa Bonong Magus. Okay, so this reading is for the water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, for this today, September 15th. Okay, and sa mga susunod na araw, paalala lang, this is a general reading. Hindi po ito magre-resonate po sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Okay, just take what resonates and leave out the rest. By the way, guys, follow me on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram. Okay, Bono Magus. Magpapahula ako ng libre every weekend, Saturday or Sunday, afternoon or evening po. Ayan. You have the Hierophant. Okay. Next, you have the Three of Swords. You have the Two of Wands. You have the Chariot, Cancer energy. Next, you have the Six of Wands. You have the Eight of Pentacles. You have the Two of Swords. Ooh. And you have the Page of Swords. Knight of Cups. Okay. I feel like a lot of you water signs, there is this energy, strong energy that you are in love with someone. Okay? But this person, hindi ka sure kung love ka naman niya or may feelings siya sa'yo. Okay? Some of you are broken-hearted about this, and parang there is this energy na parang ginugugol mo na lang yung oras mo sa work para makalimutan tong tao na to. Nalaman ng puso at isipan mo. Charot. Okay? Ayan. With the Hierophant, I feel like you are asking or looking for some advice. You've been praying about your success with regards to money. Okay, whatever you've been praying for, you are being answered, or your prayers have been heard. Ibig sabihin, yung mga pinagdadasal nyo lagi, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, ayan, pinapakinggan ng mga guardian angels and ng spirit guides. Lumiliwanag and dumidilim. That means I have my spirit team right here with me, and my guardian angels and archangels. Ayan. Thank you so much. So, I really do feel na some of you have been praying about your situation. There's pinagdadasal mo ang mga sitwasyon mo lately. Napapansin niyo guys, lumiliwanag, dumidilim. Iba yung liwanag niya. Sobrang, hindi mo maintindihan yung liwanag. Parang bright light. But anyway, let me know if na-notice niyo din. Baka ako lang ang nakakapansin. Baka ako lang nakakita. O, iba naman ang liwanag niya. Oh. But some of you are broken-hearted. Maybe it's a third party. Maybe it's a third party for some of you. And right now, parang disappointed ka. You are grieving. Some of you are somewhat depressed. Kasi, you are, lagi kang nasa, parang, ang layo ng tanaw mo. Lagi mo siyang iniisip with the Two of Wands. Some of you are already in a relationship, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, but there is this feeling na iniisip mo na ano kaya ang magiging buhay ko sa kanya. Okay? Some of you can't decide. You can't decide whether to go after what your heart wants. Lumiwanag na naman what your heart wants, or ayan, dumidilim na naman. What your heart wants, or hindi mo alam kung alin ang pipiliin mo, parang ganun. Puso mo or isipan mo. Mag-stay ba ako or aalis ba ako? Parang ganun. Some of you may be planning to work abroad. Some of you may be planning to talk to someone. Maybe some of you are planning to leave a relationship and pursue another. Alam mo yun? Okay. With the Chariot and the Page of Swords, I do feel na you're looking for some confidence. Naghahanap ka ng Oh, lakas loob. Lumiwanag na naman. Ang ganda ng liwanag, no? Mamaya didilim na naman yan. Naghahanap ka ng lakas ng loob na sabihin, kausapin itong tao na to at sabihin yung totoo mong nararamdaman. Although there is this feeling na parang nasasaktan ka sa isang sitwasyon, I don't know what that is. I'm really feeling na it's a third party situation. Some of you are spying someone's information sa social media. Okay? But you're heading towards success naman when it comes to money, when it comes to finances. There is this energy that you've been working so hard. There's a new job for you. Maybe that's the reason why nahirapan ka mag-decide kasi aalis ba ako dito? Mang-ibang bansa ba ako? Or dito na lang ako sa Pilipinas kasama ang mga pamilya at mga anak ko? No? Yeah, there is this feeling na you want to follow your heart. Pero hindi ka nga makapag-decide. Parang nahirapan ka mag-decide. Now, let's get an angel number or a message from your guardian angels. Any advice? Or any message? You have, number 88, you are wealthy. See, with the 6 of Wands. For some of you, you are maybe a social media content creator, blogger like me. You have a Facebook page and you're hoping na maraming makaka-attract, madaming viewers, something like that. You are on the cusp of a prosperous and abundant spiritual life, water sign. You will find numerous opportunities for success and achievement, all of which bring financial and material abundance into your life. See, when it comes to your money, you are going to be really successful. With the 6 of Wands and the 8 of Pentacles. No doubt about that. Okay? This card is a confirmation that you will become wealthy in the near future. Yeah, you have money, you are well provided, but when it comes to the matter of the heart, it looks like hindi ka masaya, hindi ka contented. Wala kang problema sa money. But when it comes to love life, medyo alanganin or pinoproblema ng mga karamihan sa inyo. Okay, bago magtatapos, okay, if you want, maybe you need this Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio relationship repair spell jar. This is only 290 pesos. Iba yung liwanag niya. Okay, ayan, dumidilim na naman. This is yung nag-away kayo, naghiwalay kayo ng partner, at gusto mo siyang bumalik sa'yo, magkabalikan kayo. Ayan, take a screenshot and then message me sa Facebook page. Okay? 290 pesos. Love and attraction spell jar. Gusto niyo mang-akit? Okay, iba yung gayuma ha. I don't want to use the word gayuma. This is love and attraction. Meaning, you will attract the love that you deserve. Naghahanap ko ba ng afam na deserve mo? Naghahanap ka ng love life? Naghahanap ka ng pag-ibig? Okay? Kagaya ng mga nasa telenovela. Joke. Mga Korean chorba, whatever. O, diba? This is 290 pesos. Love and attraction spell jar. Ang cute, diba? Okay, message me. Take a screenshot and then message me sa Bono Magus. 290 pesos. So, naghahanap naman ng hustisya. This is Justice spell jar. 270 pesos. Okay? Available pa rin ang ating financial blockages removal. Okay? Tanggalin yung mga nakaharang sa daluyan ng yung kaperahan para pasok ang pera. Money, pasok! O, diba? Papasok ng kaperahan sa bahay ninyo. Wala na mga delays, wala nang harang. Okay? Para pampaswerte, pampa-attract. O, diba? Money spell jar, 850. Okay, take a screenshot and then message me. Ma'am, pabili neto. Okay, money spell jar. Bono Magus Facebook page. Kung ikaw naman ay nakulam, ayan, nakulam ka, kinulam ka, maybe you need this. Okay? Anti-kulam and protection healing necklace. This is 1,000. 2-in-1 na siya. Okay? Yung stone na yan, napaka-powerful na yan. Ang daming mga feedback. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating napaka-powerful, powerful. When I say powerful, grabe ang mga feedback nito. Iba-iba. All-in-one na eh. Lahat na. Lumiwanag na naman. Lumiwanag na naman dyan ang aking mga archangels. Red bracelet po. Oh my God, ang liwanag! I love the liwanag. Ang ganda ng liwanag. Natutuwa sila na binahagi ko ang all-in-one powerful red bracelet. Mga madam, actually, itong mga items na to, pwede nyo mabili sa iba, sa Shopee. Ang binabayaran nyo po dito sa akin, ang ritual po. Ritual po ang binabayaran nyo sa akin na may kasamang mga items. Yun po talaga, okay? Magkano lang to sa Shopee? 15 pesos? 20? Oh. Ang binabayaran nyo sa akin, ritual. Okay? Magpaparitual kayo, 500 to 700 pesos. Okay? Lifetime na yan. Walang expiration. May visa to. Napaka-powerful ng bracelet. Okay? So, sa halagang 700, lifetime na meron kang powerful bracelet. Oh. Every month, ibang blessings ang dating sa'yo. Saan ka pa? Lifetime na, ha? Oh, ayan. So, anyways, let me know in the comments if nag-resonate sa'yo tong reading na to. And I'll see you next time po. Bukas ulit. Okay? Maraming salamat. I'll see you guys next time. God bless, more power, and ingat po. Paalam!